Good morning, everybody. It's Linnea. I wanted to show you guys my customized Brite Tone that I made with the pigments and the mica and how I was applying it completely wrong. So here it shows me, and this is speeded up a little bit, so I'm not really moving that quick, but it shows how I am using a lot of thin amount of product, which is what we say, but it's almost too thin here, and you can tell that I'm having to overwork it quite a bit just to get the coverage that I need. So I just wanted to kind of share this with you guys because I had Mom to the left of me and she was saying, add more product, get it wet. And I was like, but it's thin, it's supposed to be thin. So she came in on the next clip and really showed me kind of how it's supposed to be done. So I hope this helps explain the right amount of product that you need for brushing whenever you're working with your instrument in Brite Tone. Okay, so here is Mom. She's coming in and she got her brush nice and wet. She wasn't afraid to get product on there. And she's moving it all in one direction rather than going up and down, back and forth. So it's honestly pleasant to watch because she does it really quickly. It's just she's using a lot of light pressure, using one direction, doing the right amount of product, and it will self-level. So as long as it's not too thick, it's going to self-level just fine on its own. So I just kind of wanted this video to show you the right way and the wrong way, and I hope this helps.